me actually go grab. Let's go grab this. One of these. One of these. That works. I got this off. Got that out. What I gotta do is loosen this. Easy peasy. Oops. That's it. And it comes out. That looks like some oil. I'll deal with that a little later. Is it even bolted in? No. It's cool. I love auction cars. What the fuck? Just had it. Don't drop the bolt. It's like rule number 1. This is good news. Looks like the valve covers are good. I'm surprised this would be fucking soaked. But it looks good in there. It looks pretty minty. That's not that good of a thing, because if it's too minty, we'll find out why. Let's check out these spark plugs too. We got some brand new NGK iridiums. Very nice, very nice. Right there. Oops, right here. Let's see if I got the right one. This is gonna be like the moment of truth. It's not out yet. Fuck. What the fuck? What is this? Thread Infinite? Is that oil? It looks like, it smells like fuel a little bit. That's interesting. We got the new spark plug in and torqued to spec. New coil gonna go in. Oops. Right there. Key. Alright, now we're just gonna tie it down. See if the misfire goes away. No codes. Idle perfect. Running mint. Job all done. Who wants it? Guys, so it turns out it was just a bad coil, like I expected. We're gonna do the rest of the spark plugs tomorrow. Clean these up. I'ma clean this up, buff it, some of it out. It's not, that's staying. Got some stuff to do in the interior. Move these fucking anime stickers. This bitch is good to go.